toxic when it comes to love. Yeah, I'm looking for a fucking miracle. I'm just looking for a sweeter drug. Yeah, love is nothing but a cowboy, shooting up one life at a time. Yeah, I'm just trying to nurse this cold heart, this cold heart of mine. Yeah, every day I put my war paint on. I'm a warrior, I'll find another one. Step by side, I'm moving through all by myself. I don't need you, a warrior. I put my war paint on.
Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down for someone like me. I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm. If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you. But most of all, that deserves you. The sweetest red cheek I'd ever seen. You stand beside me in every dream. Angel goddess, you cover them all. Say, what can I do to get you to fall for someone like me?